Hey guys, this is my first ever video I'm making. Yay. Today I'm going to do a simple small Beyblade tournament featuring the Beyblade Burst QuadStrike Thunder Stadium, which I got from Target a little while ago. There. And the Beyblades I'm going to use to battle for the small tournament for the first round is Lightning Pandora versus Divine Belfyre. You can see that clearly. And now the first bay, reach up to a to 3 points wins. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Three, two, one, let it rip. Looks like Belfyre is. Alright, Pandora wins that round with a ring out with a survivor finish. Alright, now on to round 2. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Three, two, one, let it rip. Alright, let's see if Belfyre can make a comeback. And no, Pandora still wins. And with score of 2-0. Alright, third round. Let's see. Let's see if Belfyre can actually make a comeback this time. For real. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Three, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, I think Belfyre's gonna do it this time. And Belfyre wins this time. Alright, 2-1. So round 4. I actually meant to say this is actually supposed to be like a small battle between Pandora and Belfyre. Sorry if I'm mistaking that as like a tournament or something. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Three, 2, 1, let it rip. And no! Pandora wins. Boom. Like this video, baby. Woo!